In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can charge your Samsung Solar remote. So out of habit, get used to placing it face down like that, because normally you'll do it like that. But do it buttons down, and that way then this little solar panel at the end can get natural light, but also it will charge from room light as well. So hopefully you won't ever have to charge it. But if you find that it's becoming unresponsive, or if your TV tells you that the battery is low on here, then what you can do is leave it in a sunny environment, or you can get a USB-C and plug it into here. So right now I've just got a power bank, but you can also just use your phone charger. And when you plug it in here, it's USB-C, so it can go either way round, then you should find that you will have a red light on here. Right now, this is fully charged. After half an hour, you're supposed to have about 80% charge in it. You should find that your TV will prompt you. So let's see if it comes up on TV now. It can be a little bit buggy, but it should prompt me on the top right that the remote control is fully charged. And there you go, remote battery fully charged, but that took quite a while to display. And if you're curious about the actual level of battery left on it, then if you work your way down to settings and go all the way over to where it says power. So under power and energy saving, if you go down, can you see it says available remote battery 100%, because at this moment in time this is fully charged. So there you go, I hope you found that video useful. Thanks for watching.